Hello everyone. Today, let's dive into the world of high-end vacuum cleaners with the Tineco Floor 1 Switch S7. This innovation from Tineco, a key player in the industry, promises a two-in-one device that can effectively vacuum and wash floors. Designed to meet the needs of modern households, this model falls into the high-end category with a launch price around €899, but it's currently available starting at €679 as this video goes live. You can find all the information and the link to this product in the description. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel. The design of the Tineco Floor 1 Switch S7 is both sleek and practical. The device comes with two distinct chassis, a classic stick vacuum and a washing vacuum. This choice to have two separate units, but with an interchangeable motor, allows for great versatility while avoiding technical compromises. Each chassis is sturdy and well-designed, featuring premium finishes, motorized wheels for smooth self-propulsion, and an information-rich color display. The water tanks, with respective capacities of 850 milliliters for clean water and 720 milliliters for dirty water, are well integrated and easy to handle. The docking station offers an automatic cleaning and drying function, although it does take up more space than a standard base. On the other hand, the dustbin of the stick vacuum could have a larger capacity to reduce the need for emptying it. The Switch Pro, the interchangeable motor, is at the heart of this device. Equipped with e-loop technology, it automatically adjusts the suction power and water flow based on how dirty the surface is. Thanks to this innovation, the device detects the dirtiest areas in real time to adjust its performance, ensuring optimal and effortless cleaning. It comes with 4 operating modes: automatic power, turbo mode for the toughest tasks, suction-only mode for quick maintenance, and a custom mode accessible through the mobile app. This feature allows users to precisely adjust the suction power and water flow according to their preferences. The battery life is also a strong point. In classic stick vacuum mode, the device can run for up to 65 minutes, which is perfect for cleaning a large area on a single charge. In washing mode, it offers up to 40 minutes of continuous use, which is enough to tackle most surfaces in a home. A full charge on the station takes about 4 hours, which is pretty standard for this type of device. The flash dry system adds an extra touch of convenience. It ensures cleaning and drying of the brushes with hot water at 70 degrees Celsius. And while this process can be a bit messy, it ensures the device stays impeccably clean, which helps extend its lifespan. The quick cleaning system allows for longer intervals between manual interventions, making it even easier to maintain the device. The Tineco Floor 1 Switch S7 is very maneuverable thanks to its motorized wheels and well-designed suction head. In washing mode, the device vacuums and washes at the same time, making it super effective for spilled liquids or embedded dirt. Animal hair, crumbs, and even tough stains like coffee disappear after just a few passes. In vacuum mode, the device also excels. It comes with a zero-tangle brush, perfect for preventing hair and pet fur tangles, as well as accessories like a flat nozzle and a mini motorized brush. The options increase its versatility, especially for cleaning sofas, stairs, or cars. However, there are still some areas that need improvement. The device struggles to reach corners and edges of walls in washing mode, and its dirty water nozzle is pretty unpleasant to clean. However, this little detail doesn't take away from its overall excellent performance. The Tineco Floor 1 Switch S7 excels, with its interchangeable motor, serving as both a stick vacuum and washer. This feature allows it to be both an excellent stick vacuum and a high-performing washer without any compromises. On the other hand, some competing models offer features like a self-emptying station or better maneuverability for edges. The price of the Tineco, although high, is justified by its performance and versatility, making it a benchmark among two-in-one devices. The Tineco Floor 1 Switch S7 is a complete and high-end cleaning solution. With its excellent suction and washing performance, its innovative interchangeable motor concept, and very satisfactory battery life, it perfectly meets the needs of demanding households. And while some small details, like cleaning the dirty water tank, could be improved, this device is still a solid choice. If you're looking for a device that's powerful, versatile, and convenient, the Tineco Floor 1 Switch S7 is a great choice. You can find the link to order it in the description. Every purchase made through this link supports the channel, and I really appreciate it. Feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye bye.